Oh my God, hi! Ay, pag-bro-bro diha. Hi, what's your name?
Dim.
Dim, where you from? Charis.
My
Hi.
papa is from Philippines, but my mom's Australian.
It's
I'm,
London.
ay, hanap yan na ba? Ay, pagsama-sama diha.
You got good
Legend.
friends. It's cool.
Oh,
Oh, so
hi.
you like him by herself. That's
Mhm.
cool.
Ay, pag-English speak, ano ko ba? Do you speak Bisaya?
Gamay Basaya.
Gamay. So you're here for vacation?
Oh, here for vacation with family.
Family. So, anyway.
Busog.
Yeah, have you eaten already?
Kayo na? But busog.
So,
That's
sir,
my friend
so
was.
far, are you enjoying the beach?
Beach here, Magsasa is like amazing. It's like really beautiful. Like, it's
Right?
a bit overcast at the moment, but the other day I had like an orange sunset. It was so cool.
Pinagdadaan niya. How old are you?
I guess.
19?
Hi, hi,
21?
hi, hi, hi,
25?
hi, hi.
What?
Yeah.
26?
Hi.
Higher?
My birthday was like 2 days ago.
Oh, happy birthday.
Oh, salamat.
27.
Correct.
Perfect.
Oh.
Man, he's 27, guys. Like, bachelor. You single?
It's complicated.
Complicated? Fuck! Let's not.
Oh.
No, you can. No, I'm good. I'm shy. Go, dim.
Okay.
Enjoy dim. Love you, ah.